Ah, va todo ahí. Va todo ahí. Una lì un muro. Una lì un muro, Oh. Como que primero me puse para un Welcome. Mamma io la prendo la foga. Sì, poi. Un po'. Vai anche a pensare. Vai anche a pensare. Ah, uno anche a pensare ora. Finda finda qua. Wato tahu. Ah, una. Utinda mzipo ona. Ah, utinda mzipo. Play hamstring. Wakata wewe. Oh, bye. fue. Enggak fue. That's a very young male.
Yeah.
Pretty impressive.
Yeah.
Perhaps a rare and random cheetah attack on lion cubs was imprinted in the collective memories of the adult lions that relentlessly pursued the group of spotted cats that otherwise posed no threat to them. An unfortunate female cheetah in heat found herself in the wrong place at the wrong time. 3 male cheetahs following her were blinded by lust and an instinctive drive to mate. But in the battle to win the female's favor, one of them sustained a fateful injury. Having killed the female, the lions ruthlessly pursued any rival that might be a threat to their young. The second lion had already delivered a warning charge. The next would be fatal.
Whoa, isn't it incredible? I didn't believe it when I saw it through the viewfinder. And now look, the 2 lions are tearing that poor fellow apart.
No, it's incredible. It's just incredible.
He is using all his strength, that lion, to kill that cheetah.
He's doing a good job.
It was a rare, possibly never before seen inter-cat conflict. A ferocious feline fight to the death, captured on 2 different cameras.
Look how he uses his claws to lift up the neck and curl it in. He's grabbed him, he's holding him in such a position that now he needs to get the back of the neck. And once he does that, then he can snap its spine. But then the way that other guy came up and held on to the other end, that's like a gang attack on another lion. So they're obviously treating the cheetah like a dangerous animal. And they're not going to eat it, they just want to kill it.
The unfortunate brother was dispatched with ruthless efficiency. And the killers hadn't finished yet. Incredibly, it took yet another charge to convince the two survivors to retreat out of range. One of the lions then returned to the victim's carcass.